Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for is here. Today, our focus is purely on making money, and we're talking in US dollars, not local cash. Forget about other platforms or strategies for now. The hottest chance right now is on YouTube and online spaces where people are genuinely earning every day. In this session, I'll show you step by step how to generate income using a powerful AI tool that's completely free. Check out this example. It was created with AI. Just look at how amazing and polished it turned out. Time is precious, so let's not waste a moment. Let's dive in and see how it works. Let's dive into Higsfield AI, my friends. Many of you already know this incredible AI platform. It's one of the highest quality AI tool websites out there, offering a wide range of features. From VEO3 and Sora 2 Pro models to Nano Banana models for image creation, everything you need is right here. I've already made plenty of videos showcasing this AI, but today we're focusing purely on earning. Higgsfield has recently introduced an exciting new way to make money online. They launched two amazing tools, AI Influencer Studio and Higsfield Earn. Let's start with earning first. Open the Higsfield Earn tool, and you'll see all the details about how to make money. Essentially, Higsfield allows you to create AI-generated videos, share them on social media, and earn rewards based on your content's performance. This system is perfect for YouTubers, Instagrammers, and TikTok creators. Right now, thousands of users are already earning with it. The process is simple and happens in three main steps. First, log in and post your video. Next, start earning your rewards. It's really that straightforward. This offer is fantastic, my friends. All you need to do is pick a campaign, download the creative assets, and upload your video. Join the Higsfield paying campaign today. The platform is full of creators already uploading content. The results are amazing. The videos look incredible, and viewers love this type of content, especially kids. Now let's move on to creating our own influencer using AI. Go back to the home page and open the AI Influencer Studio. Once inside, you'll see tons of options to customize your character. On the left, there are different styles like Styler, Paris, Army, Jupiter, and more. On the right, you'll find advanced customization options. Time to generate your influencer. You can adjust skin tone, eye color, skin conditions, and many other details. At the top, select the character type, human, animal, or alien. Today, we'll make a realistic human influencer. Choose the gender first. Let's start with male, then pick the origin base. I go with European, and leave the skin color default. Next, select the eye color. Options range from black, green, purple, white, and more. I choose black. Customize the skin condition, scars, freckles, burns, anything you like. Then select the age. This is crucial. I go with mature. For advanced settings, tweak the facial features such as eyes, mouth, ears, and even optional styles like horns. You can also modify the body, slim, muscular, curvy, or heavy. These settings are optional, but help you make a unique influencer. When everything looks good, click Generate Influencer. The Nano Banana model will create your character in just a few seconds. And look, here's our influencer. It's realistic, detailed, and looks amazing. Next, generate a video. Click the video option, explore the styles, pick one that fits your influencer. Choose the quality, and hit Generate. You get some free credits at first. Higgsfield's AI Influencer Studio is a game changer. Here, you can create your own realistic AI influencer from scratch. Customize everything from skin tone to hairstyle, eye color, and even facial expressions. With this tool, you can make influencers that look so real, people will think they're watching actual content creators, not AI-generated characters. The studio gives you full control. Choose the character type, gender, age, style, and even advanced features like body shape, facial details, and personality vibes. It's perfect for YouTubers, TikTokers, or anyone who wants to create professional-looking videos without hiring actors or spending hours filming. You can generate both the influencer and their videos right inside the platform. Just a few clicks, and your AI influencer is ready to star in your content. Let's make another influencer. Open the Influencer Studio again. This time, create a female character. Choose Middle Eastern origin. Keep the skin tone default, pick the eye color, and set the age to adult. Adjust face, body, and style settings as before. Click Generate Influencer and wait a couple of minutes. There she is. Beautiful, realistic, and ready for a video. Generate her video too. Select a style. Set quality to 1080p and wait. This video comes with sound and music, making the influencer appear almost lifelike. Now that your AI influencers and videos are ready, it's time to earn. Go back to the Higsfield Earn tool, log in with your Google account, and upload your video to TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Then paste the video link or connect your account in Higgsfield. Your earnings will start automatically based on views and engagement. Repeat this process, create more content, and watch your rewards grow. The more videos you upload and share, the more you earn. So, friends, if you found this guide useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.